Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, we want hairstyles that are easy to manage, comfortable and still look stylish. The good news is you don't need to spend a lot of time every day to look beautiful. The right haircut can save your time and still make you look fresh and confident. Let's explore some easy and stylish haircut ideas. First, we have the short bob haircut. This is one of the easiest styles to manage. It looks neat and classy. You don't need much styling. Just comb your hair and you are ready. It also works well with grey hair. Next is the pixie cut. This is a very short hairstyle. It is perfect if you want something simple and modern. You don't need to spend time drying to styling, just a little combing and you are done. Another great option is layered haircut. Layers add volume to your hair and make it look fuller. This is very helpful if your hair feels thin. It also looks natural without much effort. If you don't like very short hair, you can choose a shoulder length haircut. This style is easy to handle and gives you many options. You can leave it straight or add soft waves for a nice look. Now let's talk about the shag haircut. This style has soft layers and a slightly messy look. The best thing is you don't need perfect styling. Even a natural look works great with this haircut. Another simple idea is adding soft bangs. Bangs can change your look without much effort. They also help cover for hairlines and give a fresh, youthful appearance. Now let's talk about some easy hair care tips. Use a simple shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair. Try to avoid too much heat styling. Let your hair dry naturally when possible. Trim your hair regularly to keep it neat. Also choose a haircut that matches your lifestyle. If you are busy, go for shorter style. If you like styling something medium length, hair is a good option. Most importantly, always feel confident. Beauty is not about age. It is about how you carry yourself. A simple haircut with confidence can make you look amazing. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.